Hello and a very warm welcome to this course. My name is Ernest and I'll be your instructor as we embark on an exciting journey into the world of Amazon Web Services. I currently work as a data insights and analytics cloud engineer at Amazon Web Services, where I help businesses design, optimize, and troubleshoot their cloud infrastructure. My work involves partnering with a wide range of clients, from innovative startups to large enterprises, to build scalable, secure, and cost-efficient cloud solutions. On any given day, I might be designing architectures, optimizing performance, or solving complex technical challenges that directly impact how organizations use the cloud to achieve their daily goals. My journey into the cloud began with a strong foundation in data and statistics. I hold a bachelor's degree in applied statistics with computing, where I developed a solid grounding in mathematics, statistics, and computational problem solving. Building on that, I am currently pursuing a master's degree in data science from the University of East London, further deepening my expertise in machine learning, data analytics, and cloud-driven innovation. This educational background, combined with years of hands-on experience, has given me a unique perspective on how data and cloud technologies intersect to transform business processes and decision-making. Before joining AWS, I worked in various data-focused roles. I began in analytics, where I helped organizations make sense of their data and uncover actionable insights. Over time, I transitioned into data engineering and cloud architecture, working as a data scientist and engineer. In that role, I built data pipelines, managed large-scale data sets, and designed cloud-native systems to support analytics and machine learning initiatives. With the introduction bit out of the way, let us now dive into the course and start by looking at why you need to study AWS.
AWS continues to dominate the cloud industry, holding an impressive 31% of the market share as of Q3 2024, according to the Statista report. This leadership places it well ahead of competitors like Azure at 20% and Google Cloud at 12%. With AWS powering everything from small startups to global enterprises, developing expertise in this platform gives you a major edge in the cloud computing space. This course has been carefully designed to be a springboard into AWS, equipping you with practical knowledge and real-world skills. We will begin by exploring what cloud computing is, why it's revolutionizing industries, and how it enables innovation at scale. From there, we will walk through the key elements of AWS infrastructure and guide you step by step through setting up your own AWS account. We will focus our attention on three foundational service categories that power nearly every AWS solution: compute, storage, and networking. These services form the bedrock of most cloud solutions and are the building blocks for everything from web applications to enterprise systems. To round out your understanding, we will also touch on essential areas like databases, security, and identity and access management, ensuring you have a strong and balanced foundation. Although AWS offers over 200 services, this course will prioritize the ones most relevant for beginners. Mastering these foundational services will allow you to design scalable, reliable, and secure cloud solutions with confidence. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand and apply core services in practical scenarios, navigate the AWS Management Console confidently, and implement real-world best practices and optimize your cloud setup. With a focus on hands-on learning and practical examples, this course will empower you to get started the right way. I am thrilled to have you here and look forward to the journey ahead. Let's dive in.